Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw cute Halloween pumpkins. Let's get started. First, we choose a dark purple color and the studio pen and the inking to draw a quick draft. Okay, let's draw the outside of the pumpkin first. We're gonna draw 3 different size pumpkins. A tall one, a short one, and a cute little one. Now we're gonna draw the stem for our pumpkins. The shape looks like a question mark. Next we're gonna do is draw our pumpkins' faces. Let's draw a scary or angry face for the short pumpkin. Draw 3 triangle shapes as the eyes and mouth. Then I made some adjustments of the outline for the taller pumpkin. Next, we're gonna draw a funny face for it. 2 big eyes and a big laughing mouth. Then add some teeth for it. Now draw a shocked face for the little one. Finally, we can add a little claw on top of the shorter pumpkin's stem. Tap 4 fingers on the screen to make it full screen, and then we can draw some grass as the background. Click the moving tool to adjust the position of our draft to make it in the center of the canvas. Now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer. Tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. You can change the thickness of the lines by changing the strength of your pen when drawing. That can help to make your drawing more vivid and more rhythmic. Smash the like button if you liked the video. It really helps the channel grow. Click the plus button to create a new layer to color the background. You can directly drag the color into the area to fill it. Now let's paint the taller pumpkin with the orange color. Paint the shorter one with yellow-orange. Next, we're gonna paint the stems with the red, brown color and green color. And then paint the little pumpkin with the white color. Now let's draw some wavy lines as the texture in pumpkins, using some darker color. Now we're gonna color the cutouts for their face with dark purple. Okay, now let's activate the draft layer to draw the little claw in a new layer. Use black color to draw the body and tail. Use the yellow color to draw its mouth and feet. Then use the white color to draw its sleeping eyes. Finally, add cute hair on top. Now we can add 3 lines on the face of the short pumpkin to show his impatience. And then 2 triangle shapes for the little pumpkin to show his shock. Now let's draw the shadow. Create a new layer and tap the letter N on a layer to change the blend mode to multiply, using some darker color to draw the shadow. After drawing, you can change the opacity of the layer to make the color softer. Now let's draw some highlights. Then we can draw some little stones on the ground. Now we're gonna draw some little stars in the sky with light yellow color. Now we're gonna add a few more lines to make the faces look more 3D. To do that, we can add a new layer on top and tap new layer and activate the clipping mask. All the drawing we're gonna draw on a new layer will be only visible based on the parent layer. So let's draw the thickness inside of the cutout for their faces. Looks like we can see inside the carving. After drawing, change the opacity of the layer to 20%. That's it, you did it! Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!